All right, so once you simplified and worked through number 1, you should have gotten negative x sine x plus cosine x. And again, I'm not going to go in them the order that the circuit's numbered. I'm just going to go through the answers so you can kind of check your work in that box. So then the next answer over here, you had dy dx equals 2x squared minus 16x plus 3 all over x minus 4 squared. Looking down in the middle, we had f prime of x equals negative 3 over 2x to the 3 halves minus 12x squared minus 6 over x to the 4th. In the next one, you had to use your product rule. It was sine times tan. So it was first times root of the second plus second times root of the first. And that got you sine x secant squared x plus 1. And the way I got that 1 was because tan is really sine over cosine. Cosines canceled, factored out a sine, and you got 1. Okay, so these ones are a little bit messier. I'll give you a few minutes to kind of check through them. Sometimes I try not to talk because I know it's distracting to hear me and try to check at the same time. Hopefully, so far, all of this has been pretty easy for you. There will be questions like most of these tomorrow. Finding second derivatives, using implicit, finding trig. And the last two. So again, all of the lessons were recorded. They're all posted. This answer key is recorded and posted. So anything that you missed, haven't checked, need to go over, all of those are posted as videos that you are able to watch. Like I said, you can go on, you can check your work. Make sure that you've gotten each of these review assignments. Utilize them to your greatest advantage. There is a, textbook review problems. The answers to the textbook are in the back of the chapter. So if you need more problems, you could go to the chapter 3 textbook review and just do the problems at the beginning of that and check your answers on the back of the book. If you find tonight you need to go and do more. I believe you can also go back onto Delta Math. You can see what you did right or wrong. Look back through those questions and use those as a review as well. Otherwise, I will see all of you here tomorrow. Make sure you have a calculator that is charged, and your class, or your test rather, will be split into 2 parts, calculator and non-calculator. Does anybody have any other questions for me? Anything from any of the reviews or assignments we've done that you still had questions on?